my channel. So today, I'm gonna teach you another face mask. It's honey oatmeal face mask. So how does it help your skin? Oatmeal is a great exfoliant while honey is a great inflammatory ingredient. So if you want to know more about it, then continue watching. The ingredients needed are oatmeal, honey, bowl, spoon, makeup brush, and warm water. So we're gonna put a tablespoon of the oatmeal into the bowl. We're gonna add a little bit of water to moisten it. Then we're gonna add our honey. Tablespoon of honey. So there. And we're just gonna put it in the bowl. And we're gonna mix it. Mix it thoroughly, guys. So this 1-to-1 ratio is good for one person. So after mixing it, you can finally use it on your face.
So I'm now applying the face mask in my face. It smells so good. Sorry for my eyebrows. It really smells good. So they said oatmeal face mask is good for the face because it softens it. I think I'm gonna put more on the eyebrows.